Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and OMG, y'all. This Saturday at Dollar General, it is going to be absolutely crazy. Because this Saturday, we are going to have some triple dip scenarios. Yes, I said triple dip. Count them 1, 2, 3. We have the 5 off 30 gain. We have the 5 off 25. And we have the P&G spin deal. And as if that wasn't good enough, we also have a little glitch going on that makes these deals absolutely crazy. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned until the end. Now, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video because we are so close to hitting 30,000 crazy couponers. And y'all already know I'm going to be doing a 30K giveaway. Now, while you're at it, here are 2 free and easy ways that y'all can help support this channel. Number 1, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me. And number 2, and this one is truly the most important one, I want you guys to leave me some smiley faces down in the comment section below because y'all don't even know how much those mean to me. This week, I truly had a really hard week. I'm not even going to lie. It was hard. And y'all's smiles kept me going. So leave me a few smiley faces down in the comment section below. Y'all know I love you and I appreciate each and every single one of you. And then if you have a second, go ahead and share the video. Now, first up, a couple of quick housekeeping matters to go over. Number 1, I announced the winners of the P&G insert giveaway on Monday. Congratulations to Tracy and Wendy. However, Tracy and Wendy, I have still yet to hear from either one of you. So, y'all have 24 hours to send me an email with your mailing address. If I don't hear from you within 24 hours of this video being posted, I will be choosing 2 more winners. So, hopefully, y'all have your notifications turned on and you will get in touch with me ASAP. Now, for everybody else, if I do not hear back from Tracy or Wendy within 24 hours, I'm going to give you guys another chance to win these P&G inserts, all right? And I'm going to put this video in the random comment picker, and it's going to choose 2 random winners to receive these new P&G inserts. So if they don't get back to me and y'all want a chance to win, go ahead and make sure that you are subscribed. Hit the thumbs up on this video. Make sure that your notifications are turned on. Leave me a smiley face in the comment section down below. And just a quick tip, every comment is an entry. So if y'all want to leave 10 separate comments, you got 10 entries, 10 chances to win the P&G inserts, all right? So y'all go crazy down there. And then also take a second and share the video. Alright, now for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you are in the store to scan each and every item to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Now, all the scenarios that we're about to go over are gain scenarios. So here's a couple of gain tips. Again, scan, scan, scan. You want to make sure that the gain DG store coupon shows up underneath each and every gain or gain scented product because that gain DG store coupon does not always work with all gain products or all gain scented products. So again, scan, scan, scan. Alright, now as I said at the beginning of the video, we are going to be going over some triple dip scenarios. So again, we have the 5 off 30 gain DG store coupon, we have the 5 off 25, and we have the P&G spin promotion going on this week. Now, like I said, we also have a glitch on top of all of these triple dip scenarios. So while I'm talking about this for just a quick second, y'all leave me your smiles down in the comment section below. Now with this glitch, it's going to be kind of easier for me to just talk about it as we go through these slides and scenarios. So you guys listen up and make sure that you watch all the way through until the end. Now, has everybody left me their smile down in the comments? Has everybody done? Everybody good? Let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, now for this first scenario, you want to pick up one of the Gain laundry products priced at $15.95. You can choose from the liquid laundry detergent, the flings, or the fireworks. Then you want to pick up a Gain laundry detergent at $5.50, 2 of the Gain Powerblast at $4.75 each, and 2 of the Gain scented Febreze air products at $3.25 each. You can choose from the sprays or the small spaces. That's going to put your subtotal at $37.45. And here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And up next is your list of coupons that you're going to need. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 30 gain, your 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 gain, the 1 off 1 gain, the $3.99 off 2 gain Powerblast, and the $3.30 off 2 Febreze products. And after all of your coupons have been applied, that's going to bring your subtotal down to $16.16 for all 6 items. But you're going to get back that $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt for spending $15 on P&G products. That's going to bring your final price to $11.16 for all 6 items, making each one just $1.86 each. All right, now the next deal that we're going to go over does include the glitch that I'm talking about, okay? So I've got to take just a second to kind of explain things. With the P&G spend deal, typically you have to spend $15 out of pocket to get back that $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt. However, this week we do have some coupons with the Crest and Oral-B that are giving us overage. So basically the glitch is you still have to have your subtotal after coupons at $15, but then you can throw in the Crest and Oral-B products and get your subtotal below $15, and that $5 coupon is still going to print. All right, so let's get into this second deal. All right, now this deal is exactly like the first deal that we just went over. And as we go through these, you guys are going to notice that I have numbered them this week. Gain deal number 1, and this is gain deal number 1A. So it's just an alternative way that y'all can do this deal if you can find the Crest and Oral-B products that are glitching with those coupons, all right? So pick up all of the same products, but then you can throw in up to 9 of the Crest Prohealth toothpaste at $1 each. Now, with the Crest and Oral-B products, quick note on that. It's kind of been flip-flopping all week long. Some days I check it and it's working on the Crest with Scope toothpaste. Other days I check it and it's working on the Bright and Clean toothbrush. I'm going to make a post about it in the community tab later on, so make sure that you check back on that. But again, when you're in the store, just make sure that you scan it, see what it's working with, all of that good stuff. I do have a suspicious feeling, though, that it is working at the register, even though it's not showing us that it's working in the app, because that is the exact same thing that happened last month. However, I have not tried that myself. If I get an extra minute today, I'll probably swing by and see what I can find and what I can try at the register for you all and give you an update. All right, now here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's a look at the list of coupons that you're going to need. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 30 gain, your 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 gain, the 1 off 1 gain, the $3.99 off 2 gain Powerblast, the $3.30 off 2 Febreze products, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B, the 5 off 3 Crest and Oral-B, and the 6 off 4 Crest and Oral-B. All right, now that's going to drop your subtotal after coupons down to $11.16 for all 15 items, and you're going to get back that $5 coupon. So that's going to make your final price $6.16 for all 15 items, making each one just 41 cents each. All right, now hopefully everybody's still following me on this, but again, I think this is the simplest way to show you all what is exactly going on. So if you take that first deal, gain deal number 1, our subtotal after coupons would have been $16.16. And then basically on gain deal 1A, we're just throwing on the Crest and Oral-B products and taking advantage of the overage. The overage is what's going to drop us under that $15 mark, but that coupon will still print at the register. And I have already tried this out 2 times this week, so it is working. All right, now that we went over that first deal, hopefully everybody kind of gets the gist of what's going on. But if you have questions or if you need extra help, you can always leave it down in the comment section below, send me an email, or message me on Instagram. But I don't want this video to be too awfully long, so if everybody's already left their smiles for me down in the comment section below, we're going to speed things up just a little bit. All right, so for the second deal, you want to pick up one of the Gain laundry products priced at $7.50, one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents at $5.50, 2 of the Gain Powerblast at $4.75 each, 3 of the Febreze Air products at $3.25 each, and 1 of the Gain scented Swiffer refills at $4.50, and then 1 of the Gain products from the dollar aisle for $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $37.75. And here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, your 5 off 30 gain, your 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 gain laundry product, the 1 off 1 gain laundry, the $3.99 off 2 gain Powerblast, the $3.30 off 2 Febreze, the 1 off 1 Febreze, and the 1 off 1 Swiffer. And that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $15.46 for all 9 items, but you're going to get back that $5 coupon. So that's going to make your final price $10.46 for 9 items, making each one just $1.16 each. Now, if you can find 9 of the Crest and Oral-B products at $1 each, go ahead and add on 9 of those, and that's going to put your subtotal at $46.75. And here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. All right, and here is your list of coupons. Again, they are all the same as in gain deal number 2. This is just an alternative way. So we're going to add in the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B, the 5 off 3 Crest and Oral-B, and the 6 off 4 Crest and Oral-B, and we're going to take advantage of that $5 in overage. Now, after all of those coupons have been applied, that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $10.46 for 18 items. But you're going to get back that $5 coupon, and that is going to bring your final price to $5.46 for 18 items, making each one just 30 cents each. All right, now for gain deal number 3, keep in mind all of these products are gain scented. All right, so one of the gain laundry products priced at $7.50, one of the gain liquid laundry detergents at $5.50, 2 of the Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners at $3.25 each, 3 of the Febreze air products at $3.25 each, 1 of the Swiffer refills for $4.50. Again, the Mr. Clean, Febreze, and Swiffer all need to be gain scented. And then pick up one of the gain products from the dollar aisle for $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $34.75. And here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 30 gain, your 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 gain laundry, the 1 off 1 gain laundry, the 1 off 2 Mr. Clean, the 3.30 off 2 Febreze, the 1 off 1 Febreze, and the 1 off 1 Swiffer. And that is going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $15.45 for all 9 items, but you're going to get back that $5 coupon. So that's going to make your final price $10.45 for all 9 items, making each one just $1.16 each. But again, if you want to take advantage of that glitch, go ahead and pick up all of the products that we just went over and then add in 9 of the Crest or Oral-B products for $1 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $43.75. And here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. Again, all of those are exactly the same as in gain deal number 3. The only difference is we are adding in all of those Crest and Oral-B coupons. So the 3 off 2, the 5 off 3, and the 6 off 4. And that is going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $10.45 for 18 items, but you're going to get back that $5 coupon, so that's going to make your final price $5.45 for all 18 items, making each one just 30 cents each. All right, now last but not least, gain deal number 4. For this one, you want to pick up 1 gain laundry product at $7.50, 1 gain liquid laundry detergent at $5.50, 4 of the gain Powerblast at $4.75 each, 2 of the Febreze air products at $3.25 each, and 1 of the gain products from the dollar aisle for $1. That's going to bring your subtotal to $39.50. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. All right, and here's your list. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 30 gain, your 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 gain, the 1 off 1 gain. You're going to need 2 of the $3.99 off 2 gain Powerblast, so you can use your digital and 1 from the P&G insert, and then your $3.30 off 2 Febreze. All right, and that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $15.22 for all 9 items, but you're going to get back that $5 coupon, and that's going to make your final price $10.22 for 9 items, making each one just $1.13 each. All right, now here is your alternative version of gain deal number 4. Again, all of the same exact products, but we're going to add in those 9 Crest and Oral-B products for $1 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $48.50. And here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. All right, and here is your list of coupons. Again, these are all the same coupons that we had in gain deal number 4, except we are adding on those Crest and Oral-B coupons. So the 3 off 2, the 5 off 3, and the 6 off 4. Now, that is going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $10.22 for all 18 items, but you're going to get back that $5 coupon, so that's going to make your final price $5.22 for all 18 items, making each one just 29 cents each. All right, guys, now I have a few more things that I want to say about these deals, but I am going to put all of that in the pinned comment in the comment section down below because I don't want this video to be too awfully long for you all. So make sure that you check out the pinned comment and don't forget to leave me your smiles down below. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of you good luck with your Saturday scenarios. Now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. Also, hit the thumbs up. Leave me your smiles in the comment section down below, and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.